This is Gomathi Shankar, founder and CEO of Scalpers Trading Academy. So I am from Chennai and I am into stock market trading as well as investing from the year 2014. So I'm an engineer. I have done my MTech in biotechnology from Anna University, Chennai, and now I am totally into trading as well as investing. I started taking training to everyone to give some financial literacy about stock market in 2018, and that's how I started using UrbanPro for the first time in the year 2018. So my job is to teach stock market for trading as well as investing right from the scratch till advanced levels. So far I have trained more than 1,200 students, and I have my academy in Chennai, and I am taking online training as well. And UrbanPro is a great platform for providing me some good students all around India who are really interested in the field of stock market. Now today I am here to tell you some basics of stock market. What is the importance of stock market, and why you should take your career in stock market. So these are the things which we are going to see now. So let's go to the presentation. So we will see what is trading and what is investing all about. These are the topics which we are going to cover today. So what is stock market? So many people in India are new to stock market. According to a research, uh, the population of our country is 130 crores, and as per a research, there are hardly 2-3 crores of people are into trading as well as investing. Okay, so then look at the gap between between the people who are having some financial awareness and the people who are not having any interest towards the finance background. Okay, so this is a very interesting fact. Only 2-3 crores of people in India are into trading and investing. So what? How about this remaining 125 crores of people? Okay, remaining 125, 126 crores of people, because our Indian population is 130 crores. So the reason for the 125 crores of people who are not into investing as well as trading is there is no proper awareness, and there is no proper awareness, there is no proper guidelines and structure to teach about this particular domain. So now we are going to see about stock market. The moment the word you come across, what is stock market or share market, okay, mutual funds. So when you come across these terms which are familiar in investing, what people think is this field is not for me. The first thing which they think is this is not for me. This is only for people who are doing MBA in finance, or this is only for people who are doing chartered accountant, okay, or this is only for people who are into auditing. So this is what a mindset will be for general people. So now we are going to see this is for common. This is common domain for everyone. That is what we are going to see. What is stock market? So stock market is a collection of markets and exchange where institutional investors as well as individuals buys a company. For example, let us say I'm going to start a business. I'm going to start a business, or I'm going to start a company. Now, I want some money to start my business, or I need some capital to expand my business. Okay, to start a business, I need a money. If I am an existing businessman, I need further money to expand my business. Okay, so what happens? I used to ask public people to invest in my company so that I will share the profits along with them. Okay, so this is a general structure of stock market. I'm going to start a business. I need a capital to start that business. So I am asking general public, okay, to common people, everyone, to invest in my company. When people invest in my company, I'm ready to share my profits with them. Okay, so this is like a partnership company. Okay, just like a partnership. Okay, two friends are starting a business. if there is a profit, they both will share with each other. If there is a loss, then both are going to bear the loss. So same like that, stock market is also like a place where the individuals means we are the people, we are called as individuals, as well as institutional investors. Who are called as institutional investors? Big people. Okay, big people who are having crores and crores of money to invest in companies, they are called as institutional investors. So they a buy a company which is doing some good business. Okay, now let us take an example. I'm doing a business. Okay, and to expand my business, I'm asking funds from people, everyone. Only if my business is good, you all will invest in my company. If my business is not at all good, okay, if my business is not a good business, then definitely nobody will invest. So obviously, people, individual people as well as institutional investors, they look for the best company, they look for the best business to invest so that they can get the profits from the company. So now what happens, in stock market, we call it as a stock exchange. Okay, we call it as NSE, and we call it as BSE. Okay, even in newses, at the last part they used to say about NSE and BSE. In news channels they used to say Sensex went up above 30,000, and they used to say Nifty went up above 11,000. So these are all called as stock exchanges. Okay, so NSE is a national stock exchange where most of the companies are listed. We can invest in any company. Okay, we can read their business model, we can check what business they are doing. For examples, you can take TCS. Okay, TCS is a software company, it is a IT company. So you can invest in TCS if you are interested in that company and if that business is doing good. Or example, you can take Tata Motors. Okay, Tata Motors is a car manufacturing company, automobile sector. So if that business is good, you can go ahead and invest in Tata Motors. So like this, most of the companies are there. Okay, even Sun TV is there, even Indigo is there. Okay, Indigo is a aviation company. That is, Indigo is there in stock market. If you are interested in media, you can invest in PVR. Okay, PVR Cinemas is there in stock market. So most of the companies are in stock market. If you feel their business is good, you can just invest your money in that particular company. And when the company's business is going good and when they make some profits, we will get a particular part of the profits as a dividend, as a profit for ourselves. So in stock market, there are two modes of market. Okay, there are two important processes. Stock market, there is primary market and stock and secondary market. Okay, there is, in general, we call it a stock market, but if you go inside and see, there are two markets inside a stock market. The first market is primary and the second market is secondary. What is primary market? Primary market is very simple. A new company is entering into stock market. Okay, there is a new company, they wanted to do some business. Okay, they wanted to expand their business or they wanted to do some business. Okay, they're asking money from the people for the first time. Okay, for the very first time, a company is asking money from the general public. Okay, so we call it as primary market. Okay, what is secondary market? Secondary market is a company which is already in stock market. Okay, a company which is already getting funds from the people. Okay, which is getting funds from the general public. They still need more money to expand their business. Okay, so that is called as secondary market. So primary market is a company which is getting funds from the people, which is asking money from the people for the very first time. And secondary market is a company which is already getting money from the people. They still need more money to expand their business. That is called as secondary market. Okay, and there is a common terms called National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. These are the two exchanges where the companies are listed. Now, in the second slide, in the next slide, what we are going to see. So far, we saw what is stock market. So, what is stock market? A company which needs fund for starting a business, or an existing company which needs funds for expanding their business. Okay, they come to raise funds from the general public. Okay, so stock market is a place where investors and business people meet each other and they share the money as well as the shares. Okay, so that's why we call it a stock exchange. Okay, the stocks is exchange in terms of money. Okay, money is given by the investor to the company and the company gives shares to the general public. Now, is stock market a gambling? This is a very important point. Most of the people, when they come across the word stock market or share market, what they think is stock market is a gambling, or stock market is purely based on luck, like a lottery ticket. Okay, this is what people think. Stock market is like a casino. So this is what people think when it comes to the term stock market. Actually, gambling is a zero sum game. Okay, for example, you are doing a gambling. Okay, like let us take now IPL is going on. Okay, let us take your gambling IPL. Okay, you are telling Mumbai will win. Okay, one people is one guy is telling Mumbai will win. Okay, and another guy is telling Bangalore will win. Okay, so they both are betting each other, and the prize and the money is 1,000 rupees. Okay, if Mumbai wins, the Bangalore person will give 1,000 rupees to the Mumbai person, Mumbai supporter. Okay, and if Bangalore wins, the Mumbai supporter should give 1,000 rupees to the Bangalore guy. So what happens? Any one of the person will lose the money. Okay, in gambling, in casino, in lottery, what happens? There is only two probabilities: either you win or either you lose. Okay, if you win, you will win the whole money. If you lose the entire money. So gambling is a zero sum game. But stock market is not a gambling. Stock market is an investment. Okay, you should understand the difference between gambling and investing. Okay, for example, we are investing in gold. Everybody is investing in lands. Okay, everybody is investing in property. Everybody is investing in property. Everybody is investing in gold. What is the reason? Because they need their money to appreciate. They are creating assets for future. Okay, similarly, stock market is also a alternative investment to property as well as to gold. So stock market should be always compared with gold and property, not with gambling. Okay, in stock market you are investing in a company, and if the company is not performing well, immediately you can exit with minimum losses. Okay, you can exit with minimum losses. For example, you are buying a property. You are buying a property, and there is a sudden problem with the property. Okay, you are buying a property in the nearby a city. Okay, and what's happening, there is a issue with that property. So what happens? The land value will decrease. You will not lose the entire money. The land value will decrease. Similarly, in stock market, if you are not making money, the losses will be minimal. If you are investing in a wrong company, if you are take an example, Jet Airways. Okay, Jet Airways is an aviation company. They totally shut down their operation. So what happened? Jet Airways, the share price started to decline. The share price, once upon a time, the Jet Airways share price was 600 rupees, and now it is trading below 50 rupees. So in stock market, what happens? If you are facing any losses, if any company business is not going good, then you can exit anytime with minimum losses. But whereas in gambling, you lose the entire money. So if you look at the fourth point, our investment help in the growth of company's capital. Okay, that is very important point. Whichever money you are investing in a company, it helps in the growth of that particular company. Okay, so you are a silent pillar of a company's growth. That is the important point. You are also one among a pillar of success for a company's growth, because you are investing in that company. Whether it is a big investment or whether it is a small investment, that doesn't matter. Each and every penny of your money invested in that company goes to that company's growth progress. Okay, so You are investing in a company's growth, which in turn contributes to the economy of a country. Each and every company's growth contributes to economy of a country. So that is very important. So always remember, you should not confuse investing along with gambling. Okay, investing is a wealth creating place. Okay, gambling is a zero sum game. Okay, investing is in investing. See, even Warren Buffett, everybody knows about Warren Buffett. Okay, he is one among the top richest man in the world. So what he used to say, okay, investing is a eighth wonder of our world. Okay, investing is a eighth wonder of our world. So you should not confuse investing along with gambling. So can I really make money from stock market? So now I have clearly explained what is stock market, and I have clearly explained stock market is not gambling. Now, can I really make money from stock market? Now, this is a common question asked by many people. Many people are interested to invest in stock market, but they are having a hesitation whether we can make money from stock market. See, the one important thing is you can make the best in any field. Okay, whether you are into a job, whether you are into higher studies, or whether you are into any other business, you can you can shine in that particular field only if you have sound knowledge. Okay, only if you have the right knowledge, you can do wonders in any particular field. So one needs some good understanding of the market and some research capability in making money. Okay, you should have some sound knowledge about market. You should have the thirst to learn the stock market. Okay, everybody is thinking stock market is a money making machine. Everybody is thinking stock market is a money making tool. No, it's not like that. A stock market is also a field. Okay, it is also like a study. You should learn, only then you can make money. Okay, for engineering we are learning 4 years. Okay, for becoming a doctor we are learning for 5 years. Okay, similarly, if you want to make money from stock market, you need some years of learning experience and practical experience. If you want to play cricket for India, okay, for our country, okay, immediately you cannot get a promotion, and you cannot play for India. Okay, there is a lot of processes. You need to play for under 17, you need to play for under 20. Okay, you need to play the Ranji Trophy, you need to play the local crickets. Okay, and then only you will get promoted to our country. Okay, so same way, this is a process. You need to learn stock market from the scratch. You need some years of learning and practical experience. And many people in stock market, okay, they are losing money, and only few people are making some good money. If you take stock market, only few are successful. What is the reason? Because only few people are having the thirst to learn stock market and research in market. If you take a class, okay, for example, you can take a school or you can take a college. If you take a class of 50 people, only top 5 will be, only 5 people will be studying well, and the other 40 people will be average students in a school or college. 5 to 10 people will be studying well, and the remaining people will be scoring average marks. What is the reason? Because only the 5-10 people, they are showing some interest to learn. Okay, they are showing some interest to learn. They are referring other books, they are referring library books. So they are putting some efforts to learn and to score high marks. Similarly, if you want to make money in stock market, if you want to become a big investor or a big trader, okay, you need some patience and lot of practice. You need passion, you need practice, as well as you need patience. Okay, so 3 things are important. And there should be a disciplined approach. Okay, what is the disciplined approach? What is the discipline? See, you need some discipline when you take a food. Okay, for example, you are going to take a lunch or you are going to take a breakfast. You need some discipline to eat only the amount which you can intake, right? If you're eating everything whichever you see, then what happens ultimately? Okay, you will get some stomach pain. Okay, it will lead to indigestion. Okay, so there are a lot of complications, right? Okay, so you need some discipline when you intake a food. Similarly, you need some discipline when you ride a bike. When you are riding a bike, when you are riding a car, you need some discipline to maintain the optimum speed. If you are going above 100 inside a city, okay, inside the city, then what happens? You will end up in accident. So similarly, in stock market also, you need some discipline to manage your money. Okay, you should invest in a company in a disciplined manner. Okay, and successful investing and wealth creation takes hard work, effort, passion, and lot of patience. As I said already, to become a successful investor or to become a successful trader, you need a lot of hard work, practice, efforts, patience. You need to choose the right mentor who will guide you towards the betterment in that particular domain. And can I take stock market as a full-time career? I've heard this question 1,000 times from many young people. Okay, people who are pursuing their college degree. Okay, and people who are many women traders who are housewife in their home. Okay, they have I have heard this question 1,000 times. So one can make stock market as a full-time career opportunity, a part-time opportunity, or just a way to generate supplemental income. It depends on your purpose. For example, college students, many people have approached me. They used to ask, shall I take stock market as my career? Yes. They are young and energetic. They can take some risk in their life, and they can take stock market as their full-time career. There are many housewife women traders. There are many office-going professionals. They can take stock market as a passive income. They can make stock market as a part-time income. Whenever they get time in a day, they can take stock market as a part-time income. Okay, so it depends on your purpose. To become a full-time trader, one should combine high level of knowledge with the experience. Okay, everybody cannot become a doctor. Okay, everybody cannot become a IAS. Everybody cannot become a IPS. So whatever it is, you need a lot of hard work, knowledge, and practice. Anyone with passion, patience, and the will to learn, that is very important. Everybody will say, sir, I am ready to do anything to become a successful trader. But they are not interested to put enough hard work to learn stock market. Everybody needs money from market, either from investing or whether from trading. Everybody needs money from stock market, but they are not putting any effort to learn, to practice. Okay, so that is the drawback among the people. So you need some passion, patience, and the will to learn. Only then you can become a successful full-time trader. We can also build a long-lasting career at our own pace. See, I am a full-time trader now. I am a full-time trader as well as investor as well as a trainer. So I no need anybody to guide me. I no need anybody to order me. Okay, I need just a laptop and an internet connection. I need only a laptop and an internet connection. Anywhere in this world, anywhere in this India, I can sit and make my own money. That is the freedom which you are having in stock market. Now, advantages of making a career in stock market. What is the advantages? Let us say I am a stock market trader. I am having my time flexibility. Okay, I am having my time flexibility. For example, during the weekend, if I want to go out with my family, I am happy to go. During the daytime, if I want to go to any grocery shop or any fruit shop, okay, or if I am getting any kind of family commitment works, okay, I am having the time flexibility. But whereas a working professional, he cannot get enough amount of time. Now, due to this COVID-19, what happening? People are working even on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so the time flexibility is very important. Be your own boss. See, when you are taking stock market as your career, okay, you can be your own boss. You no need anybody to give you lot and lot of works. Okay, nobody is going to ask your work progress. Okay, you no need to punch in and you no need to punch out. Okay, you no need to report to anybody. Okay, for availing a leave, you no need to take permission from anybody. So you are your own boss. And money, you can make some good amount of money from trading and investing. You can earn very good amount of money from stock market only if you have the right knowledge and better work life balance. Okay, when we are taking stock market as a career, as I said earlier, we are having a better work life balance. See, stock market is always open from Monday to Friday. See, Saturday, see, let me tell the timing of stock market. Stock market is open on Monday to Friday. See, so the timing of stock market is Monday to Friday from morning 9:15 a.m. to evening 3:30 p.m. And Saturday and Sunday, stock market is a holiday. You will never get any field like this. Just like a school timing, you are having your timing for stock market also. School students, they go to schools at 9 o'clock, they come back at 4 o'clock. College students, they go to their college at 9 o'clock, they come back at 4 o'clock. Same way, stock market is also starting at 9:15, it gets over at 3:30. That's all, you are done for the day. Within the 6 hours, 15 minutes, you are going to make money for that particular day. You are going to make money. Saturday, Sunday, it's a compulsory holiday in stock market. Even in school, sometimes Saturday is a working day. Even in colleges, Saturday is a working day. Even working professionals, they have Saturday as a working day. But stock market is the only field where you will have Saturday and Sunday holiday. Okay, so such a wonderful field, stock market, you can take definitely as your career. Now the next slide is disadvantages of making a career in stock market. The first disadvantages of making career in stock market is risk. What is that risk? Risk of losing money. Risk of losing money. See, many people are not having sound knowledge about stock market. Many people are not interested to learn stock market. Many people are not interested to spend some time to practice, analyze the stock market. So ultimately what happens, they blindly infuse their money in stock market and they end up in losses. I am asking one question. If you learn properly and if you have a proper mentor and if you are doing stock market very carefully, then why are you going to lose your money? So most of the people who have lost money in stock market, they will definitely have a reason. Okay, they will not study, they will not analyze, they will not have a proper mentor, anything. An emotional roller coaster. Stock market is full of emotional roller coaster. Sometimes you invest in a company and the company goes in a loss. You will be in a loss of 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. So you need some emotional balance. Sometimes you make 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 money profits. That time also you need some emotional you need some emotional balance. You should not be too much greedy. You should not be too much fearful also. So greediness and fear, you should balance both equally. Unpredictability. Nobody can predict the stock market. Nobody can predict the stock market. Only God can predict the stock market. What we are doing is we are just analyzing. We are just analyzing the facts and figures. We are analyzing the past performance and present performance, and we are analyzing the future performance. That's all, very simple. We are not predicting, we are just analyzing. Where should I learn? Where should I start my learning progress? Many people, particularly working professionals, they are interested to learn stock market, but they don't know where should they start. See, there are two ways to make money in stock market. The first way is trading. People call it as day trading, people call it as swing trading, people call it as positional trading. Okay, so trading, you can make money in short term by a process called trading. And there is another method called investing. If you want to make money for a long term, okay, short term is approached by many full-time people, full-time traders, people who have enough time to watch stock market. They used to do trading. And what is investing? See, investing is done by people who have some enough amount of patience. Okay, people invest in companies. They used to hold on to that company for several years, and then they make some good amount of money, similar to gold. So to become a successful trader, if you want to make trading as your career, okay, if you are choosing the first option, okay, if you want to make trading as your career, then you should learn a subject called technical analysis. You need to learn a subject called technical analysis, where we will learn about past price, present price to predict the future price, using other chart patterns also. Okay, this is a study which comes under technical analysis. Okay, so if you want to take short-term trading as your career, you need to learn technical analysis. If you want to become an investor, okay, if you are not having enough time to spend for stock market, then you can do investing. To become a successful investor, you need to learn fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis means you study about a company's performance, their business model, their balance sheet, and profit and loss analysis. What is that studying fundamental analysis? See, fundamental analysis means you study about that company's business. For example, Bata India. You all know about Bata India. What is Bata India? Bata India is a footwear company in India. Okay, they are the leading manufacturer of footwear in India. What is their business? Manufacturing footwear, leather products, bags, okay, slippers, shoes, okay, leather wallets, leather belts, leather handbags. So this is their business. And who are their target audience? Who is the target audience for Bata India? Right from the kids to the senior citizen. Because Bata India is manufacturing footwear for kids, for gents, for ladies, for adults, for senior citizen also they are manufacturing footwears. For ladies they are manufacturing handbags. For gents they are manufacturing wallets and belts. So Bata India's target audience is everyone. So like this, you need to focus on that company. But technical analysis, short term, is not about their business. It is about price. Last year, what is the price of Bata India? 3 months ago, what is the price of Bata India? Last month, what is the price of Bata India? If this is increasing consistently, last year the price of Bata India is 100. 3 months back, the price of Bata India is 200. Last month, the price of Bata India is 300. So the price is increasing. So in coming days also, the price of Bata India will increase. So like this, we predict using the price. So you have to choose whether you are going to take trading as your career or investing as your career. And you need to select that particular subject and you should learn. Now the next slide is trading versus investing. So whether you are going to take trading as your career or investing as your career. See, trading means you are investing in a company for a maximum of 30 days only. See, trading means You invest in a company for a maximum of 30 days and you make money. But for investing means you buy and hold the company for minimum 3 months, maximum n number of years. Maximum n number of years. So this is the difference between trading and investing. Trading means you need to complete the entire buy and sell progress within 30 days. But investing is you need to invest in a company for minimum 3 months to maximum n number of years. And in trading we focus on price, as I told earlier, but in investing we focus on company growth and business. For trading we should learn technical analysis, for investing we should learn fundamental analysis. Capital required is less for trading. If you want to do day trading, if you want to do regular trading, capital required is very, very less. But for investing, the capital required is more. You need more capital to invest. Return on investment is high. For example, you have 10,000 rupees today and you are making 1,000 rupee profit today. So what is your return on investment? Your return on investment is 10%. Okay, you are making 10% in a single day. But the capital required for investing is very, very high. Is very, very high. Okay, for example, you have 10 lakh rupees or you have 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees. Okay, and you make around 10 to 20,000 rupees. Okay, 20,000 rupees. Okay, the return on investment is around 10 to 20%, but the time taken is very high. The time taken will be at least one to 2 years. The time taken will be at least 1 to 2 years. But here in a single day you make 10%. In a single day you make 10%, but here for the same 10% it takes at least 1 or 2 years. Okay, so investing is a long-term process and trading is a short-term process. So we are into conclusion part. So far what we saw what is stock market. So stock market is a place where investors are interested to invest in a good company. With the help of that money, the company runs their business, they expand their business, they do some good business, and the profit is shared with the investors. So stock market is a place where company raise money from people for their business, corporate purposes. Is stock market is a gambling? No. In gambling, you lose the entire money, but stock market is an investing place. You will not lose the entire money. You can exit whenever you face losses. And can I really make money from stock market? Yes, you need some good knowledge. You need some experience. You need some good mentors, advice and guidelines to make money from stock market. Can I take stock market as my career? Yes. Okay, you can take stock market as your full-time career or part-time career. Okay, for both full-time and part-time, you need the passion, the interest to learn. Okay, you need to practice. You cannot expect overnight success. Okay, Rome is not built in a day. Don't forget. Okay, Rome is not built in a single day. So it takes years of practice and experience. And advantages we saw: you are your own boss, you have your time flexibility, you can make money, you can make your work life balance equally. Okay, and disadvantages: there is a lot of risk, there is a emotional pressure is there. Okay, you cannot predict the market perfectly, so there is a lot of disadvantages. And the money required to trade and invest is also high, so that is also a disadvantage, because most of the retail traders, most of the people, they won't invest more than 1 lakh rupee. So the capital required for stock market is very high. And if you want to take trading as your career, if you want to make money short term, you should learn technical analysis. If you want to make money for long term, you should learn investing, fundamental analysis. So this is the difference which we saw, trading versus investing. And conclusion is, There might be many disadvantages that come with trading, but everything has some pros and cons. Okay. See, whatever it is in life, everything has a pros and cons. Okay. Even if you take a bike, even if you take a car, pros and cons are there. Okay. The only thing is, you should know how to manage it properly. In case of full-time trading, the pros definitely overweigh the cons. When you take full-time as a carrier, as a stock market carrier, the advantages are more than the disadvantages. Okay. And stock market is the only avenue that can give us enormous inflation beating returns. See, nowadays, in fixed deposits or in recurring deposits or PPF in post office, whatever it is, when you invest in these kind of investing avenues, you won't get more than 7 to 8% as a return. Maximum you will get 8% as a return, but in stock market, easily you can make more than 10%, 20% returns. And financial management and risk management is important. That is very important. See, if you want to make stock market as a career, right financial knowledge, okay, a right mentor, trading mentor you need, and the right management, risk management and financial management practices needed. And with the right kind of learning skills and strategies, you can build a long lasting and comfortable career in stock market. So again and again, what I'm telling is you need to learn. Okay. Many people are blindly entering into stock market. They are infusing their money. They are taking some blind decisions and they are losing their money. Okay. So first you need to learn. For that, you need to choose the right mentor. Okay. Only a right mentor can give you the proper guidance and skills to make a comfortable career in stock market. Okay. So thank you all for listening to my presentation. So this is what I wanted to tell you all for this particular day. So stock market is the best field, and I am into full-time trading for past 2 years. Okay. For past 2 years, I am making my bread and butter out of stock market. Okay. So if I can make, definitely you can also make. Okay. So the only thing, the difference between an experienced person and an amateur person is the level of dedication, hard work, practice. Okay. Experienced traders has a lot of experience, lot of trial and errors. Okay. Lot of practice, hard works. But an amateur is lacking in everything. Okay. He don't know anything, so he needs proper guidance. He need to choose the right mentor. Okay. Stock market is like a school. Okay. You need to choose the best. You are choosing the best school and university for your son or daughter, for your family, right? So similarly, you need to choose the best mentor, and you need to get a proper advice and guidance from the right mentor. So that's all, everyone. Thank you.